Season 9 Episode 31. Classic Caillou throws his dad's new phone into the volcano again/grounded. This video was inspired by the new Plotagon 2011.
Why did I get grounded for breaking Caillou's glasses? What I am going to do? That gives me an idea. Since my dad have his Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that he got from Best Buy, then I will put his phone into the volcano again. Ha 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 ha. Okay, here it is. Let's take it. Okay, got his phone. I'm going to Hawaii by using Plotagon logic. Teleport me to Hawaii. Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic, activate. Yes! I made it into Hawaii. Now let's go to the volcano. Okay, I'm going to throw the phone into the volcano. Yes! I threw this phone into the volcano. Now let's go back home.
What? Where's my phone? Did Classic Caillou put my new phone into the volcano again? Classic Caillou, did you throw my new phone into the volcano again? Tell me the truth right now.
I threw your new phone into the volcano again.
How many times I said stop throwing my new phone into the volcano? Now I have to buy the Samsung Galaxy A16, and don't you dare throw my Samsung Galaxy A16 into a volcano. If you threw my new phone into the volcano one more time, I will whoop you. Oh, you're grounded until the new Plotagon 2011 reaches over 5,000 subscribers. Go to your room right now, you stupid bald kid.
Washington H.
Thanks for watching.